Alright guys, there's date and time on the Garmin Fire 620. And today we're going to ride the elevator at 236 North York in Elmhurst, Illinois. It's an Otis Series 1. And look at this, apparently this place is protected by ring. Crap, hope we don't get busted. So we're going to head down to the basement. It appears that this is an older Otis Series 1. Judging by the indicator. It's here at the basement. Now let's go to 3. There we go. Anyways, here up at 3. Now let's go down to the basement. Trying to get a cab view here. It's a pretty nice elevator for an office building. So anyways, there's your indicator right there. Here are your fixtures. And there's your phone. And apparently this one seems a classic level. It seemed to do it in the basement. We're going to see if it does on the first floor too. It does classic level on the first floor as well. So I'm going to wash his clothes up. There it goes. And for my fire alarm fans, we got a Sensor Special Alert Advance and an old Potter fire alarm bell, which I don't know if that works though. But it seems like that's what it used to have before the upgrade was Special Alert Advances. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyways, that's it.